In this video, we are going to learn how to create a realistic mockup in Figma using the mockup plugin. To get started, I'm going to be using both the desktop and the mobile version for the mockup. So this is the desktop version, while this is the mobile version. So now let's get started. In order to use the mockup plugin in Figma, what you need to do is to right click, then you are going to see plugin, then click on manage plugins. Then you are going to search for mockup plugin. Click on it. Then you are going to wait for it to load. As you can see, this is so you have to click on this section until it is finally done. This mockup plugin has both free and paid version. So we are going to be using it for free in this video. To get it done, click on view all plans. Then you are going to click on this hamburger icon. Then you are going to select free mockup. So as you can see, we have a lot of beautiful mockup that we can use for our design. I'm going to be using this one for this particular design. Then click on it. Now in order to apply the design into the mockup, you have to click on this plus icon. Then you have to select the frame. As you can see, it is loading currently. So this is it. Then after that, you click on crop. Then once it is done, you can click on paste. Once you click on paste, then the mockup is going to be applied. As you can see, it's done. Then you can now close this here. So this is the mockup. So the mockup has been applied. Then in order to export it to your computer system, what you need to do is to come to this section. Then you click on this plus icon under the export. Then you are going to see this section. You can import it either as PNG or as JPEG or SVG or PDF. It all depends on you. Feel free to choose anyone that you like based on your personal preference. Then this section as well, you can increase it maybe to 2x or 3x. It all depends on you. I'm going to be using 2x for the sake of this video. After that, I'm going to click on export. So I'm going to select the location where I want it to be exported. And I'll click on save. Once you are done exporting, you can then delete this one. So it is already on your computer system. Now let's move on to the mobile version. So I have this mobile version that I wanted to use. In order to apply the mockup plugin, right click as usual, then you click on mockup plugin. Then you are going to repeat the same step as we have done previously. To use it for free, click on see all plan. Then select this hamburger menu, click on it, then you are going to see free mockup. Select the free mockup. Then I'm going to scroll to the bottom until I see the one that I really like. I'm going to be making use of this particular one. This iPhone 15 mockup frame. Then I'm going to click on this plus icon to apply the design to the mockup. So after that, I will select the device frame and the mockup is going to be applied. So as you can see, it has been applied there. Then you click on crop. After that, then you click on paste. Then as you can see, it has been pasted. Then you can now click on cancel. The response is they are going to repeat the same step as the first one. So you come to this section under export, click on export. Then you can select the format you like, either PNG, SVG or JPEG. But I'm going to leave it currently as PNG. So then you can always change it maybe to 2x or to 3x, depends on you. But this one as well, I will change it to 2x. After that, I'll click on export. Then I'll select the location where I want it to be exported. As you can see, so I'll then click on save. To check what we have exported so far, I'll do the file explorer. As you can see, these are the two mockups that I've exported. So now let's preview this one to see how it looks like. This is the first mockup, this is the second one. As you can see how this image is looking. This is how you can create a mockup for your design in Figma using the free mockup plugin. If you really enjoyed this video or if this video has been helpful to you in one way or the other, please share this video with your loved ones. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell so that this time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first one to be updated. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.